Hi, this is Steve with Food Brews Booze with your tips for Tuesday. Today I want to talk to you about what kind of people you are targeting. Now, the answer to this question is important. Are your customers young? Are they old? Are they executives? Or, are they blue collar workers? Now, the answer to this question is going to influence everything from what you purchase from your purveyors to what specials you offer during happy hour. Now, the most successful bars have a specific audience that they target. Now, more importantly, they meet the demands of that target market. So, what kind of people are you targeting? If your business is ready to grow, but you don't know whom to turn to for advice, or you just don't have a plan to get the job done, then you may be our ideal client. I love meeting open-minded local bar owners who want to grow and need a plan to accelerate their process. Call us today, 727-382-6843, or go to our website at foodbrewsboozemarketing.com. On behalf of myself and my team, we encourage you to get out there and make it a profitable day.